pour the cabbage mixture. Cook at low heat. Flip to cook on the other side. Now our cabbage with egg is done. Transfer it to our serving plate. If you like more videos about cooking ideas, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and don't forget to select all. By doing so, every time we upload new videos, you're the first to notify. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Have a nice day.